Be strong, be kind, be free. Do things that make you proud of yourself. Surround yourself with people who bring out your best qualities, and distance yourself from the people who do the opposite. Be true, true to yourself and true to your morals. Stand up for yourself. Don't let people take advantage of your kindness and soft heart. Don't take shit from anyone, and don't put yourself down. Believe in yourself and believe in your journey. Be good to yourself. Be unapologetically you. Embrace your imperfections. Accept the fact that when you grow, sometimes you lose people, and that's okay. Celebrate your every success and learn from failure. And most importantly, never ever let anything stand in the way of the woman you are becoming.